Hey, gun people! More unaccountable, out of control cops trying to kill people. How did we get here? Welcome to another episode of Earning the Hate. So if you read the article, it makes it sound like the great cops were just doing their job, and New Haven police showing their police cruiser cut off an ATV rider. Police were called after receiving reports of an ATV and dirt bikes riding. Wow, that's a big crime. Guess they're riding their bikes. That's deadly force. One of the officers noticed ATV coming down the road. He angled his car in front of the man, causing him to crash. After receiving backlash, the police issued a statement defending the officer's actions. The officer slowed his cruiser and angled it to protect the families and pedestrians that he had just passed, while providing points of egress to the side of the oncoming ATV to pass the cruiser. Are you kidding me? They really believe that people are going to believe this. Watch this video. So here are the people and families. Oh, look, they're in danger. Oh, no, maybe not. They're gone. Oh, look, here's a family. Oh, they're in danger. Oh, drive. Nobody's in danger, people. This is absolute bullshit. This guy just simply wanted to kill this dude. He pulled in front of a vehicle that couldn't stop, and he literally caused this guy to crash and receive serious injuries because he could, because he's the blue line, because he will kill you or anybody to show that he can and that he's not accountable. And not only does he do it on video, the police department defends it and says he was protecting families, protecting and serving, earning the hate. Wow. When I was a cop, this is considered deadly force. We would have been fired. There would have been no excuse for this use of force on somebody that committed no violent act, was no threat to the community, and we literally tried to kill him. That's exactly what this cop did, and the PD defends it. And there'll be other idiots running around saying, back the blue. Wow. And that there,